Why not 3D print some part to make it simple? To make it simple. Okay, like now observe this. What are various old beliefs are there? Okay, divide the problem. My problem is rocket is very costly. Is there any chance to reduce cost of the rocket? Okay, like this is my bigger problem. Divide into small, okay, into very basic level parts. Now you can start asking the question. Okay, rocket we are using only once. That's why its cost is too much. Okay, why not why not reuse it like aeroplane? Next, must use very costly metal. Why not use stainless steel, which is strong plus at low price we are going to get. Engines must have thousands of small parts. Okay, that's why all these parts manufacturing and connecting these to build an engine is very costly. Like, Hari, why don't you use 3D at least for some parts? Okay, like, sir, what is the outcome? What is the outcome? We see, we see that not all old rules are true. Some can be changed. Some can be changed. Okay, not all old rules are true. Some can be changed. Okay, immediately you have to you require to use this approach. Arey, I'm doing several things in my life. I never question like this. I want to eat biryani means I should go for Paradise Meridian only. Okay, why? What is the reason behind? Because first time I took, I'm feeling very comfortable. That's why every day I'm going there for Paradise. I paid almost around 2.5 lakh, 3 lakhs, or 10 lakhs around in my lifetime up to today. I never think why we should go there only. Is there any alternative? Is there any best thing? Sir, I'm always using Colgate only. I never checked which brands are there. Is there any other alternative best brand which is available at low cost? I'm always using Mysore sandal soap only. Okay, is there any other alternative best thing which is going to fulfill at low price or with the same cost more effective item can I get? Friends, everyone in the position to understand? Getting the points right? What is the meaning? This thinking. Okay, first principles of thinking. Now you are getting the idea slowly. So divide. N number of things you are doing. Every day we are doing the same. Okay. So just I bought items from so and so place. Array, I'm always taking any groceries which are required. I'm always going for DMart only. My friend told the things are available at low cost. Is really all items are available at low cost in DMart, or only some items are available in low cost? Think about that. Just if we do R&D, so somewhere, okay, at least 6 months once or 3 months once, then maybe a chance. You may find the solution at lower price. With the same price, you may find more effective solution. Yes, just this type of thinking is called first principle thinking. Everything, don't believe. Sir, last time we did that. That's why we are following this. Why? Today, a number of things got changed. Why we require to follow the same process only? Question, question, question. So divide any problem into small parts. You require to combine. You require to through question and then rebuild. Now the step 3. So up to this is the clear, right? So first thing, divide, break the problem into small parts. The second, question old beliefs. Next, the third, rebuild fresh. Rebuild fresh. Okay? Use cheaper but strong material. We are not required to use the same material. Okay? Use cheaper but strong material like stainless steel. Yes. So, what is the problem to use the stainless steel? It is a very strong when compared with earlier metal. Then we can reduce the cost there. Okay. Make a rocket, make a rocket reusable, make rocket reusable, make rocket reusable, land it back, land it back and fly again. Wow, beautiful. Because of that, there is a cost in the reduction. Okay. Next, the simplify design. Simplify design. Okay, fewer parts, fast building. Okay, at least do you know use some 3D technology. Okay, to design fewer parts with. So all the there are some parts we can connect it together. Need not be thousands of parts. There are some parts we can connect it together by using 3D. Automatically, the number of parts is going to be reduced. Once the number of parts are going to be reduced, then automatically we can build very speedily. Okay, fast building. Next, now start cost calculation from raw materials. Raw materials. Okay, metal plus fuel. Add only what physics really needs. So start the cost calculation from raw materials like. So everything here just you require to take care. Is there any alternative? Is there any solution? Is there any best way? Is there any lower cost thing? Is there any more effective thing? Like everything you require to find the alternative. With that alternative, rebuild fresh. So rebuild fresh. Okay, like now, what is the outcome? What is the outcome is a new rocket design, a new rocket design which is cheaper, faster, which is cheaper, faster to build, and can be reused. And can be reused. This is the outcome we had because of these three things. So we are not building the rockets. That's why steps don't worry. But the way of thinking you require to concentrate.